Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you the chapter trigonometric functions. And then first topic is angles. Before that we should learn about ray. What is ray? What is ray? Ray means ray is a part of a line. This is the line. This is a part of a line with it has one it is a starting point and but no end points. That means a ray is a part of a line that start at one and it has no end points. It infinitely goes on one direction. It is infinitely goes on one direction. It has only one starting point only. This is called a ray. And next is angle. Angle means angle is formed by two rays that have formed by two rays. That means this is the ray, right? Two rays that have a common formed by two rays have a common point. It has one. This is the starting point, and one more ray we will draw. Yeah, this is a angle. That is angle is formed by two rays. This is the two rays. It has a common point. This is called angles. Or other explanation is union of two rays. This is the union of two rays having the same origin. This is the origin. Then the union of two rays having the same origin is called angles. Or other explanation is two rays. This is the two rays, right? Two rays meet at one point. These two rays are meet at the point, this one. This is called angles. Or angle is a measure of rotation. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray. This is the given ray. Angle of measure of rotation. This is rotation of given ray about its initial point. This is the initial point. This is the given ray. The measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. That is called angle. And the initial side is called that original. This is the given ray, that is original ray. This is called initial. That means, for example, this is ray and this is the given ray, and this is called initial side, and this is called terminal side, and this is called vertex. That means it is the rotation of a ray from one position. This is the rotation of a given ray. It is the rotation of a ray from one position. This is a one position to another around the starting point. This is the starting point. This is the rotation of the given ray from one position to another around the starting point is called angle. And this is initial side, and this is terminal side, and the origin or the common point is called vertex. And these two, that is initial side and terminal side, these are the arms of the angle. And then there are two types of angles, positive angles and negative angles. What is positive and negative angle? Positive angle means if the direction of the rotation is anti-clockwise, then it is the angle is, this is the anti-clockwise. This is the given ray is rotation about the origin. This is anti-clockwise rotation. Then this angle is called positive. And one more, the negative angle means this is the given ray, and this rotation about the anti-clockwise direction. That is clockwise direction. This is negative angle. So in that case, this is the initial given ray, that is initial side, and this is the terminal side. Why? Because this is the given ray, it is rotated in the clockwise direction. So this is rotated from this position to this. So this is clockwise direction. So this angle is negative angle. And for example is the angles, example is clock. Then minute, hour and hourly, minute and hourly answer. These are the examples of angles. Okay. I hope my if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.